Today, let's talk about one of the most formidable threats in the cyber world right now, the Black Basta ransomware. First off, Black Basta isn't just another name in the long list of cyber threats, it's becoming a nightmare for cybersecurity professionals. Since its emergence, it has rapidly evolved, using sophisticated techniques that can bypass traditional security measures. What makes Black Basta particularly dangerous? Well, it leverages double extortion tactics. This means it doesn't just encrypt your data, but it also threatens to leak it if the ransom isn't paid. Imagine the chaos if sensitive data from major corporations were suddenly public. But here's the kicker: Black Basta is indiscriminate. From healthcare to finance, no sector is safe. Its ability to perform rapid encryption and the ruthlessness of its attacks make it a top concern for any cybersecurity team. So, what can we do? The first step is awareness. Understand the threat. The next step is action. Ensure your incident response plans are ironclad. Regularly update your security protocols, and never underestimate the value of a well-informed team. Stay safe out there. It's a digital jungle, and threats like Black Basta are lurking in the shadows, ready to strike. Until next time, keep your data locked down and your awareness high.